In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image in Gmail. This is a handy feature that can enhance the way you communicate visually with your emails, whether you're adding an image to a newsletter or simply spicing up your regular correspondence. Let's dive into it. To begin with, make sure you have Gmail open in your web browser. It's best to do this on a desktop computer for ease of use. Once you're in Gmail, go ahead and click on the Compose button, which you'll find in the upper left corner. This will open a new message window where you can draft your email. In the message window, craft your email content as you normally would. You can fill in the recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and any accompanying text that you'd like to include. Now comes the part where we integrate the image you want to hyperlink. At the bottom of the Compose window, you'll see a small toolbar. Click on the image icon. It resembles a small square picture. This will prompt you to select the image you want to insert. You can upload an image from your computer, choose from your photos in Google Photos, or even insert a picture by URL if it's hosted online. Once you've selected your image, just insert it into the body of your email. Now that your image is part of the email, it's time to hyperlink it to a desired URL. First, hover over the image you've inserted. You'll notice a small menu appearing with a few options. Click on the option that resembles a link, a small chain icon. Selecting this will open a small pop-up window. In this window, you'll be prompted to enter the URL you wish the image to link to. Carefully type or paste the link you want your email recipients to go to when they click on the image. Make sure the URL is correct and operational to avoid any broken links. After you've entered the link, click OK or Save to finalize the hyperlink. Your image is now hyperlinked. Before sending, double-check everything is set correctly. It's a good practice to send a test email to yourself first, just to confirm the image links properly and that everything looks as you intended. Go ahead and click Send to shoot off your email after you're satisfied with your test. Using images with hyperlinks in your emails not only makes them visually appealing, but also directs the reader to particular web pages seamlessly. This technique is incredibly useful for marketing purposes, creating informative emails, or guiding someone to a particular web location effortlessly. I hope this guide helps you make your email interactions more engaging and efficient.